Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the 5 best cooking oil which controls our cholesterol. The first and foremost is avocado oil. Avocado oil, it has the monosaturated fat which our body does not or cannot produce by itself. And the second oil is almond oil. It not only includes the trans fat, that is which is controlling the fat, but it extremely has very less fat in it. And the third one is the sesame oil. And the sesame oil, it is also called as the devoid of cholesterol because it fights against the cholesterol which is having zero cholesterol in it. And the next one is olive oil. See, if the unsaturated olive oil, if you get, please do take that because it hides most monosaturated fats in it. And the last one is the chia seed oil. This chia seed oil contains more acid which controls our cholesterol and which does not produce our body, that is omega 3 fatty acid.